welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna start a little bit of a social media detox week. I feel like whenever I come home from work, I'm just sitting on the couch brain rotting all day. On top of not doom scrolling, I also feel like I've kind of been living for the weekend, so I really want to try to do more things during the week so I don't feel this way and I just don't have to look forward to the weekends every single week. So I'm gonna try to do something that isn't just doom scrolling every night after work this week. It doesn't even have to be anything crazy. Like today we're just gonna go for a run, and then I've been craving cinnamon rolls, so I'm gonna try and bake that. But let's go for a run and get our evening started. One thing about me is no matter how many times I run, I will always hate running. I literally hate this. I think I'm like 2K in. Back from the run. Honestly, I should have thought about it before I started running because I did legs yesterday, so my legs were kind of dead. But I ran 6K and I'm very happy with that because usually I tap out before 5K. So successful run today. So I'm gonna make miso salmon for Naoki and I before I shower. I'm also gonna make rice for that. I did go to the grocery store and buy the ingredients for the cinnamon rolls, so I'll do that later. I forgot I have to put these away still. It's honestly one of like the easiest recipes, but like the tastiest recipe that Naoki and I will eat like basically every single week. Because it takes like no effort, but it's so flavorful because of the miso. I'm pretty sure I've mentioned the recipe in one of our videos before, but we're gonna switch it up a little bit. Because Naoki thought that it was a bit too salty because of all the soy sauce that we used to put in it. So now I put like barely any soy sauce, but just like a whole bunch of miso basically. And it's been really good. Okay, so I started a little bit. I just put together the dry ingredients, and now I'm going to be melting butter and milk and then adding the yeast, and we have to let it rest for like an hour, I think. So we'll come back to it after that and finish it up. They look so cute. I will say the ends, so this one and this one, I don't think I put enough of the cinnamon sugar mix into it, so they don't really have a lot, but they're still really buttery, so I feel like it'll be still good, but the rest of them look pretty decent so far. So now we're just going to cover it and then leave it for an hour, then we can start baking them. As we wait for the dough to rise, I'm just having my dinner. I made some Brussels sprouts and bacon as well, and then there's the miso salmon. Also, Naoki and I started watching this show on Apple TV. It's called The Studio with Seth Rogen. It's really, really funny. It's about like a studio head in Hollywood, and it's just like disaster after disaster every single episode. But we've really been enjoying it. It low-key like makes me feel uncomfortable sometimes, so I'm just like, oh my god, I can't believe this is happening, but would highly recommend. It's pretty funny. Okay, well, I watched the show. Oven's preheating, but I'm gonna start making the icing. I don't know how it's gonna go because it did ask, or it is saying to use a stand mixer, which we don't currently have. So we'll see how this goes. Okay, it looks like they're double in size, and then I also finished making the icing, so I'm just gonna put these in the oven and then we can put that on top of when that's all done. I'm so excited. Ooh. Those look so good. Oh my god. vlog. Hello, it's Wednesday. I just got back from work. I am going to head to the gym now, and then I'm gonna come back, eat, and then later tonight I'm gonna head over to my friend Maria and Eric's place. I had asked Eric to teach me how to play Elden Ring, so we're gonna see how that goes, because I was thinking of buying the game, but I didn't want to spend like $80 to get it and then like not know how to play, be frustrated, hate it, and like not like it. So we're gonna do a little test run at third place. We're gonna see how it goes. I'm gonna head to the gym now, and then I'll head over there later. Thursday. I just came back from work. Today, Naoki and I are gonna go out for dinner. We're gonna go on a little dinner date. Okay, I have my fit on. I'll show you guys more of it after I'm done getting my makeup on. I thought I would bring you guys in here and kind of explain why I am trying to do things every day after work. I think like especially because it's summer, like time just feels like it slows down, which is really nice because I get to like feel like I'm enjoying the warm weather for a lot longer. Like I live in Canada, and truthfully like you only really get maybe like 3.5 like warm months for summer, and the rest of the year is like sad, cold. We barely get any sunlight during the day. I just feel like during the times where it's like more gloomy and cold, I'm just like wanting to like speed through life and not really enjoying like the things that I could be doing outside of my job. Like I feel like during those times I'm like okay with like the weeks passing by quickly and like literally just like living for the weekend. But during summer I'm like, oh well, like it's so nice outside, I can go for a run, I can do this, I can do all like these different things, which is like nice. But I think that like I need to start practicing having that mentality also like during those colder months, so I'm not literally just like dreading the week and living for the weekend, because it's kind of sad. That's literally most of my week just wasted away. So I thought doing it in the summer and like seeing what it's really like for me, it would be a nice way to get the ball rolling and like getting these habits into place, and just like making sure that I won't be afraid to do it while it's colder out, if that makes sense. That's why I'm trying to go outside and do things every day this week, and I'm probably gonna keep doing it until the end of summer, and then do my best to do it when it gets all cold and gloomy. This is the fit today. I got this really cute dress from Abercrombie like a couple of years ago, and whenever I wear it, I get like so many compliments, but it's just so cute. I'll probably wear it with my yellow tigers. Okay, we got some bread. How is it? Nice. I got the mushroom pasta, the mafalde, and now he got risotto with short rib. It looks so delicious. Can I try the risotto? Ooh. Oh wait, that's so ooh. I like that. That's really good. Okay, we just finished dinner. It was delicious. We are going our separate ways though, because now he has to go to a sleep study tonight. So he will be hooked up to all these things, and they're gonna figure out if he has sleep apnea or not, because he snores while he sleeps.
But when's the last time I snored?
I don't know, I think like I'm so used to it I don't hear it anymore.
Or I just don't snore anymore.
I don't think so. I don't believe that. Anyways, that was our Thursday adventure. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Say good night.
Night.
I would like to do a shot before 12.
We are at the cottage, and I didn't film anything today, but now he's cooking and we're chilling outside. Oh. But look at the lake. It's so beautiful. We were out there all day swimming, but it's so peaceful here. Hey Hey guys, I'm back from the cottage. I didn't really film anything, I'm not gonna lie. I kind of just left my phone inside the entire weekend and was just not on it. So yeah, I didn't film much. It was actually really nice because I didn't feel like I had to be like doom scrolling or like on social media. I was just genuinely hanging out with my friends and just like enjoying being outside of the city and like in nature, which was super nice. The cottage was so much fun. I had such a lovely time with all my friends, and it was just, again, like just so nice to get out of like where I usually am and just be in a different atmosphere. I'm really glad that I did this video and I was able to get off my phone for this week. I think it's so nice that I can like go out and like do things with my friends after work and just like literally just do anything besides being on this couch and doom scrolling every single night. So yeah, and by doing that, like I feel like the week went by so much slower, and I feel like I didn't have to live for the weekend like I typically do a lot of the times. So this has just like been a really nice experience. It's something that I want to keep doing going forward. I feel like I'm definitely going to keep doing this throughout the rest of summer and like hopefully try my best to do it when it gets a little bit more gloomier outside as well. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I had a lot of fun making it this week, and I'll see you next time. Bye!